Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, nice. Well, your roof is solid. I like it. It looks good, man. Yes, sir. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Kyle. I've got 3X15 V2s on MD 12K by Terrahouse.
Okay.
Got 4 6.5-inch PRVs in the doors, the Neos on a HD 3K. And I've got a 440 by 4 running my 2 tweets.
Okay.
It's in 1.5 to 1 fourth order. And I peak around 45 hertz.
Okay. How's your electrical?
So I got 80 amp hours of Yinlong and a 320 amp alternator. So it does alright.
Have you done, what's your SPL scores on it?
The best I've ever done is a 156 even.
That's good.
Usually I'll do 55s on it.
Awesome. You happy with it?
No, I've got another 15 at home. I'm going to wall it off with the B-pillar soon.
Okay.
And,
so you're going to do B-pillar and lose the back seats? And,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got a daily now, so I can get away with that.
Yes, sir. Looks really good job, man. I like the box. Is the amp wire down a little bit?
No, it's actually at half ohm.
Half ohm, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
They're actually 3 ohm coils on those.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm hesitant to tear it out, because I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be since you got your daily driver now, I guess you can actually sacrifice your back seat, so yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Stopping in.
Appreciate it. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick.
Absolutely, yes sir.
Good job. Thanks, Kyle. Yeah, I love to hear it, man. This looks good.
Lights don't really show during the day.
Yeah, I can see them a little bit. Looks good. Is the amp wire down a little bit?
No, it's actually at half ohm.
Half ohm, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
They're actually 3 ohm coils on those.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Another one. It'll be since you got your daily driver now. I guess you can actually sacrifice your back seat. So yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Stopping in.